welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Miss L, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on a road trip with my bike, okay? And it's gonna be a fun day because the end goal is to actually take pictures at the waterfall. It's actually one of my favorite waterfalls I've been to ever since I started coming to the Rift Valley. So this is the outfit for the day. I'm putting on these cute tops. Oh my god, I just stepped on a poop. And then this trouser. I don't know if you can subscribe, guys, subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And it had a lot of farm animals, so I had to fold my pants because it kept on sticking on the bicycle somewhere that you normally hold your water inside. So let me show you how. Yeah, and also there are a lot of sheep around and other colors of animals. So yeah. So this is the second stop, and we are just heading right now to have a drink because it's so hot and we are very thirsty. And I think it's been like 30 minutes since we started the bike ride. My bike is over there. I'm just resting it over there, and I just stopped to have a little bit of break because damn guys, but the place is so beautiful. Guys, I just came across the sweetest little kids, and they just gifted us with these sweet guavas. Nzuri sana. Mko poa? It's really nice and pink inside. This used to be my favorite childhood fruit when I was growing up. And also, we've just been told Koromosho is also known as Kaptinga by the locals. Yeah. See how tall the cones normally grow up to. On these cones, they're actually sweet cones. We use it for ugali. So if you've ever been in the East Africa, you know ugali is one of the famous meal. The locals normally use it It's our staple food actually. So for these ones, they're not ready yet. So once they're ready, they peel out the corn from the corn plant, and then the plant is brought down. You can see how beautiful it started at 10:30, but right now it's almost 2 o'clock. It's 20 minutes to 2. So this is our another stop for us having a break, because we are like 1 hour to the waterfall, and so far we like it. I hope you guys are enjoying, and please leave a like and comment down below if you want to be seeing nice videos like this. The water which is flowing under is River Sosiani. So this same water is the one which is going to flow up to the waterfall, and we'll be showing you how beautiful the landscape over there comes together. So I'll just show you close by, because you're not having a heavy current, although it's been raining lately so much, but the water is so still, yet it's so beautiful. It's dirtish because it's been raining. Cut. Pushing the bikes so that we don't fall into the mud, but this is the worst it has gotten. So far it's been so good and very enjoyable. waterfall, and as you can see behind me there are very many beautiful trees, and we have a lot of shrubs and a natural plantation. Just over there down there the waterfall is flowing, and then we have a lot of kettles which are moving around. Just show them around. These kettles are normally in two types. We have the hybrid kettles and we have the ordinary kettles. I don't know if I have a shot of the ordinary kettles, but these ones are grade kettles, okay? They produce about 10 liters of milk every single day, and they graze. They don't graze by themselves. Yeah. Finally, we are at the Koromosho waterfall, and this is the dam behind me over there, and many people use this water to actually generate electricity. So it's flowing over there. I'll just show you shortly a bit, but as you can see, show them. But the water current is so high, it's very risky to actually try and go inside. I was thinking I'll be able to go inside, but I don't think I'll be able to today. But I have a footage. I've been here before, so I'll upload it. But the water is so clean. So many people use it to wash their clothes. And also it's one of the main sources of drinking water for our people. Just behind the cave, but today, as you can see, the water currents are so heavy, so we won't be able to go behind the cave and